Okay, the first problem asks us to graph y equals 2x minus 1 using the slope and the y-intercept. So the first thing we need to know is this equation right here, y equals mx plus b, this is called the slope-intercept form, okay? And what that means is this value of m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. So remember, slope is rise over run. That's how much a graph goes up and over as it moves. And the y-intercept, that's going to be where it crosses this line right here. This is the y-axis, okay? So when I take a look at my equation right here, y is equal to 2x minus 1, I can see right now, you see that right here, 2, that is going to be my slope. So my slope is going to be 2, but I want to represent that as a fraction because you see how we have it as rise over run. So the slope is going to be 2 over 1. And my y-intercept, let's see if I can find that value of b. You can see that's right there. That is a -1, so my y-intercept is going to be 0, comma, -1. All right. And so here's how we graph using the slope and y-intercept. Remember, 2 over 1, this over here is rise over run. So having a rise of 2, that means we're going to go up 2, and a run of 1 means we're going to go right 1 place, okay? So let's start by graphing the y-intercept, which is 0, -1. That's this point right here. And then from there, I'm going to use my slope to get another point. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up 1, 2, right? Because our slope, our rise is 2, and then run 1. So we go over 1. So again, I go up 2 over 1, and then this is my next point. I can do it again. Up 2 over 1, there's my next point. Up 2 over 1, there's my next point. You see how this constant rate of change is creating this line right here. Whoops. Which again is not a great line, but I got it the best I can right there. This is awful. Let me try this again. There we go. Again, you'll use a ruler when you do this, but unfortunately I can't do that on the computer, so we'll just connect those dots and that's going to be our equation. Now I'm going to bring this down for my next problem, so let me slide this right down here, and let's take a look at our next problem. Take a look at this one. You see it's not in y equals mx plus b form, so the first thing we want to do is we want to solve 3x minus 4y equals 8. We want to solve that for y. How do we do that? We're going to start by subtracting 3x from both sides, and we're going to end up with -4y equals, again, you see we want our x term next to our equal sign, so this is going to be -3x plus 8, divide by -4, divide by -4, divide by -4. These cancel. We get y is equal to -3 divided by 4 is positive 3/4 x, and then 8 divided by -4 gives us a -2. Now, what's my slope? This is my slope right here, so slope is 3 over 4, and that means we're going to go up 3 and right 4, and then our y-intercept is going to be the point 0, comma, -2. So again, we plot that y-intercept 0, -2 here, and then our slope says we go up 1, 2, 3, and then right 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's our point. Again, up 1, 2, 3, right 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we connect our dots using a ruler if you can, and there's our equation, or there's our graph.